Hello and welcome back to the channel. We're about to do our monthly Mojo tag, and I have to do this video twice, so here we go. We're starting it over again. Glad to have you here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you're a new subscriber, thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoy my content, and I hope you follow along and create your monthly Mojo tags as a way to keep your creativity going. It usually works with there's 3 main items you have to put on your tag, and then the rest you can use whatever creativity you like. But if you decide that you only want to use the 3 items, that works too. So you have to decide, but you must incorporate the 3 main items. And on whatever social media you post your tag, use hashtag monthly Mojo tags, and then I'll be able to go over and look and comment on your tag. Okay, here we are, monthly Mojo tags, and we're doing this for the month of September. I forgot to write September on there. There we go, for the month of September. One of the items that you must have on your tag is a pumpkin, or pumpkins, more than one. You must use a word, and you must use some leaves. So let's get started. Now, for pumpkins, let's see. I have these pumpkins from the Dollar Tree that I thought were really cute because they're all different. And so I'm going to use these guys. These pumpkins. So these, if you go to the Dollar Tree and at the Crafter Square section, I think they put these up with the holiday. I think I found these with the holiday tags. They weren't exactly in Crafter Square. They were in the holiday section. So if you go there, you'll be able to, I want to make a little bit of grass to put my pumpkins in. So I have this piece of paper. So I'm going to put my pumpkins down. But I want to add something that looks a little bit like grass. I don't think that looks much like grass. And I don't like the look now. So I'm going to have to put my pumpkins down without the grass. So I want to use this set of pumpkins. And the one is propped up, but I want to pop the other one up. So I'm going to use some of my pop dots here to pop this up a little. So it'll have a little bit of dimension to it also. So I don't want it flat on the surface. So I hope everyone's doing well. I think I'm going to need my pokey tool to help me with this. So I always have a hard time getting things off. Getting these little pieces of paper off. They stick them on there so great. So you just have to, and I always have a hard time getting these little papers off of the, oops, I just pulled it off. Keep this up, I'm not gonna prop it up. Okay, so we got one off. Sorry, it's taking me a little bit longer than I needed to take. So I got one off. Let's see if I can pokey this one off. Got that one off. And so that's my new word. Can I pokey something off? Can I pokey this off? Hope so. The other one pokeyed off nice. Oh, there we go. There we go. We pokeyed it off. So I got my pumpkin. Put it there. I like the dimensions he has, and he's not so flat to the card. This one's sticking up too. He's nice and poked. And then I'd like to add just a nice little, just a nice pumpkin here. I want to have like a nice little pumpkin patch type thing going on. So I want these guys, sit them right here. Put them right there. Let's throw this guy here with him. There. I like this guy over here. So he's a little up from the others. And I want to slide one right in the middle of there. And I think I want to slide this one. Let's slide this one in here for another little pop of color. So then, for my leaves, I have these leaves from Hobby Lobby. And at Hobby Lobby, the leaves were 50% off. They were 50% off at the time. And so I got those leaves. But I wanted to add another thing with the pumpkins. I wanted to add the truck on here as my another focal spot. And I wanted to pop the truck up a little bit on here because he has pumpkins too. It has pumpkins too. So for the truck, I want to add one right there. I want to add one in the front. Trying to get these pop things up. And I want to add one down by the wheel. Oh, I'm going to have to pause for a second because my dog needs to go out. Hold on for a second. I'm back. So we were putting the truck on. I wanted the truck to be driving away from the pumpkin patch like that. Have him sticking up with a little dimension. And of course, in the background somewhere, in my imagination in the background somewhere, there are some trees. And the trees have these leaves here. And I'm going to put the leaves down. There are the leaves. You know, I know a lot of people don't like making tags, or, you know, a lot of people don't play around with tags a lot, but making a tag and doing this way is so peaceful and restful doing this, that you just get a little creative as you go, and it just keeps you into feeling that creative mood with making a tag. It doesn't take a lot of your time. It's not a big time thing, but it does help you along to keep you, if you haven't created in a while and you want to get yourself back together, start again by making tags, and then get back to your regular crafting, the things that you like to do before. So I like this the way it is. And it says I had to have pumpkins. I got the pumpkins, lots of them. Leaves, got my leaves. And now I'm going to find a word. And so I have these words from Hobby Lobby, and they were also on sale, but I don't think I want to use these words. I have this little, you know, and I'm going to have to make something with these little gnomes. So if you haven't seen these at the dollar store, they're gnomes eating all kinds of coffee things. And I started at one point to throw the gnomes on here, but they didn't quite fit with my pumpkin theme. So the words I want to use is here. Grateful and thankful. And there we are. And that's my monthly Mojo tag for the month. I'll slide these leaves in here. And that's my monthly Mojo tag. I got the I got the leaves. I have the leaves, the monthly Mojo tag. I have the pumpkins. Love that little pumpkin patch I made. Pumpkins on the truck. And it has the words, a word, and the words I chose are grateful and very thankful, and also the leaves. Thank you very much for joining me this month for the monthly Mojo tag. Oh, wait. Shoot, I almost forgot my ribbon. Jay, how you gonna finish your monthly Mojo tag off without a ribbon? I think my orange tag, my orange ribbon is so bright, isn't it? A little bright, but I'm gonna take it. I don't think this one goes, so I'm just gonna use the one bright ribbon. Tie it on here. Can I tie a bow? Bows are not my thing, so I might not be able to have a good bow on my tag. Not on my tag, a good bow. Well, Jay, I think your bow is upside down. Don't you think my bow is upside down? I think it is. But I still love it. So this is my monthly Mojo tag for the month. Thank you for joining me. Join in and make yourself a tag for the month. And also, think about this too with your tags. If you give away fall cookies to anyone, and I know now we're not quite doing all that giving away stuff, but you have people that you do give stuff to. Or if you're sharing something with somebody, or on the back of it, you could also write, someone, give it as a card that I just want you to know I'm really grateful and thankful for you as my friend. So you could do it that way. Find a lot of ways, because most people go, well, you make those tags, what do you do with them? I personally keep them sometimes, or sometimes if I'm giving a gift, or if I'm thinking about somebody, I'll take out the tag and write on the back of it, and then slip it in an envelope because they're small, and give it to a friend. I've done that before, and they were like, oh, Jay, this is so cute. One of my friends keeps her tag hanging in her kitchen on her little board, her cork board in her kitchen. So just think of different ways to do it. If you're making the tags, you don't have to keep them all. You can give them away as cards and as thank you gifts as you choose words or anything to go with this one. So let me say thank you for joining me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like the way things came out, or if you have any comments or anything, or this is what I'm going to ask. If you have a different way, if you think of other ways you can use these tags and share them with somebody, tell me what you would do, how you would give it to someone. And if you make a tag, don't forget, hashtag it monthly Mojo tags, not September, just monthly Mojo tags. So you don't put the September part on it. No September. Just monthly Mojo tags. Use your pumpkins, use a word, and use some leaves. So I'll see you all in the next video. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, friends.